Hello girls and boys, welcome back to Fine Art Garage Night. Yeah, I'm in my music room tonight. I forgot to do the intro in the garage when I was painting the car. So, tonight we're going to do the roof. It's going to be done in high gloss black, direct gloss black. It's all been primed again, the whole car's been primed again. And it's been all been sanded down with 180, 320 and 600. So it's all masked off, ready to go. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Well, girls and boys, that's it done. It's looking not too bad. There's a few bits of dust on it. But like I say, there's like a light coat on first and then 3 wet coats on top of that, so there's plenty of paint there for me to obviously to wet sand it and polish it out, so that should be okay, so I'm not worried about that. So next week hopefully we'll start getting the I'll get the engine bay done, get that out of the way, and the boot, the tailgate and the bonnet doors, they're all been primed, they're ready to be sanded and ready to be painted as well. So hopefully next week we should have the whole car all painted, and doors on, and tailgate on, get that all on. Test fit the, no, I won't bother with the bonnet, I'll leave that off because the engine's got to go in there yet. So, and so we can get the jig off as well. I can let you see that, which is a good idea for if you're changing floor pans or toe boards. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again next week. Thanks then, bye bye for now, bye.